Hi guys, Riaz here from Blaze Figures. Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different review. I've got an unboxing that we're going to do of the UC35 V2 from Fenix. Alright, so let's just take a quick look at the box of the UC35 V2, and quite impressively enough, they've got a couple of features that they've highlighted, and the key feature of the torch itself is that the max power is up to 1000 lumens. You get 750 hours of moonlight mode runtime, and it includes a 3400 milliamp hour battery. Flipping it around, just taking a look at the different modes, as I mentioned, quite impressive. 1000 lumens of strobe, then your moonlight hours, which is 1 lumen, low 50 lumens, and that you get up to an impressive runtime of 27 hours. Medium, you're looking at 150 lumens, 350 lumens on high, and then a max turbo mode of 1000 lumens. And yeah, that you'd actually get up to about 2 hours runtime on that. So pretty impressive on this specific torch. Alright, so when opening up any box, it's always handy to have a decent knife with you. And I've got the Rake P105K, and yeah, it definitely does come in handy when opening up any type of box. Taking a look at what you actually get inside. Okay, flipping it around, you get a charger, a pouch, your lanyard, and yeah, 1 or 2 extra O-rings to obviously tighten up and keep your waterproof, the unit actually waterproof, and then basically instruction manuals and your warranty card. So that's what the unit actually looks like. You have your tail cap at the back, button, and then you obviously have your either your mode settings and your battery detector on this end. Alright, so when you get these, they should actually have a bit of a sleeve that's protecting the battery so it doesn't actually go on accidentally in the packaging. While I'm switching the unit on, that's quite bright. As I mentioned, you get a battery indicator. Let's try that again. As you can see, it's green, and I almost said red. It's green, and it shows whether the battery is fully charged. The unit itself quite nicely embossed, so has a decent grip to it, and yeah, a removable clip as well. On the flip side, you have your charging window or your charging door. Let's get into that, and that takes a normal micro USB to actually charge the unit itself. So you don't have to actually put in any different types of battery or put your battery in an external charger. You can charge it as it is on the torch itself. So quite a nice size torch, nice weight to it. And yeah, basically flipping through the modes, all you need to do is touch on your battery indicator or the copper button, and that will basically take it through. As you can see on my hand there, that's the moonlight mode of about 1 lumen. Flipping through, that will give you the next setting. I'll change my hand over here. It basically gets brighter from there, and that's turbo mode. There's a bit of heat coming from it, but all that you need to do is to get it into strobe mode, keep your button in, your selector button in, and yeah, flips through strobe quite easily. Alright guys, so if you're in the market for a decent pocket size flashlight up to 1000 lumens, basically just getting it on in that way, the UC35 is an awesome torch to actually look at. Not too heavy, not too bulky, and yeah, pretty decent all around. You can charge it on the torch, and as you saw a little bit earlier, flipping through the modes just as easy. You can get these at any BNT store nationwide. Otherwise, shop online at bntonline.co.za.